Just in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we treat the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up them style on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever we do nobody else can see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things we put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
Why you dress up in that if you never know today is not Valentine's Day? Today? Plus me no want none of your front. Or your crosses front get me in a trouble.
Bingy. I know you love it when I'm going to not to mention no butterfly African no 630.
A true man, you can do your thing. Your 615 was the best. Love the position there. As you talk, me feel it.
No man, that voice sound like Bingy. Oh, Natasha so lie. Make me listen good. Me not think of Bingy that. Make me go closer to the door.
Hungry, now cook your favorite oxtail and rice and peas with sauce out juice. Are your Valentine gift?
Nobody with it. Me no want you tie me. Me no love my belly that much again. Why am I here, Natasha?
Oh boy, I need a plan B.
Mommy, are you okay? You look sad.
No, Tassan, I'm just tired. Nothing to worry about.
Did you tell Daddy that we were doing a project with ultrasound pictures?
Where did you hear that from, Tassan?
Daddy asked me about it.
So, what did you tell him?
I told him that my teacher did not give me any project about ultrasound. But Mommy, I don't know where he got that story from.
It's okay, Tessan. Daddy just misunderstood what I said to him. I will talk to him later.
Okay, Mommy, I'm going to my room to rest a bit.
Shit. Boy, no. Me need a plan C. Bingy really go ask Tessan about the ultrasound homework. I never expect that from him.
Look, on a serious note, Keisha tell me say you breed her.
Me? Really? What a ass girl lie. You really believe that, Natasha?
Start the lie, Bingy. Keisha show me the text them and the picture with you and her in a bed.
What? Oh, that. It was a one-time thing. Me did really drunk and me think she was you. And then she said she a breed.
Hear me name a call. I want Natasha up to. No man, I Bingy voice that.
So you really did that for Keisha, you little germs. Are you really breed her too?
But you say she tell you everything.
You never tell me nothing, but my suspect say you did that for her. Hold on a sec. Dirty so, come out here so. So Bingy you breed for all along. You think me want to find out?
What you talk about? What Bingy doing here?
Girl, Bingy just tell me say, I aim your breed for. Explain yourself.
Bingy really me think that was something you want to keep a secret.
Secret, bitch? How you for make my man breed you?
So a Bingy breed you too? Bingy no believe her. A jacket she a give you.
Girl, a long time you there fuck Bingy and me no know. And you there going like so I'm licking at your face. Hey girl, listen to me man, you fuck and I going like you know I'm fuck. You know we and Susie your friend and you have fuck Bingy girl. Hey girl, take my friend. Blood clot girl. Blood clot girl.
You take that back. Oh yeah,
blood clot jacket all you give Bingy but you fuck Bingy girl. You know what?
No, me not give no jacket.
Girl, yeah, fuck Bingy long time and I pretend like say you miss uptown, good up, girl. Girl, take back, take licking at your bum clot, girl. Take lick.
Oi, wanna stop the Ross fighting? I can't uno a breed.
Take that, girl. Take that. Really? Slap in your face. Oh, take that here. You have to text up and stay over there, so. Bright. Come on, let's say. You want to take Bingy from me and...
You know what? Make me leave you so. All Ross crowd together. Jesus God, Susie, make some water there.
Bingy, what do you? Why you look so frightened?
Me just see one accident down the road. 2 truck crash.
Really? Cheese and peas. Me don't know why them man no drive better on the road, you know. So, you think them dead, Bingy?
Boy, me wouldn't mind me here so them dead. It would have saved me a lot of headache.
Why you say something like that, Bingy? How when sent you that make them talk there? How you so wicked?
You better shut up for your ass mouth, both wicked. Oh, you so ass lie. Tessa tell me say she don't have no ultrasound homework.
Bingy, me sorry, but me kind of afraid to tell you the truth.
So what is the truth now, Susie? And me no want to involve my daughter in your lies them.
Bingy, me pregnant for truth. That's why I didn't have the ultrasound picture them. It was not to do any homework with Tessan.
So how long now you have breed, Susie?
Over 2 months now.
So how me not seeing no belly a grow? You not even a vomit down the place like the rest of your pregnancies.
Bingy, me not know. Every pregnancy different. And because me gain so much weight, that's why my belly not show yet.
Oh, that good for you. And you alone it's sweet. Me go lie down. Me no feel too good.
Shit, this a one you know. Hello, Romin. How may I help you?
Susie, I am in Jamaica.